I'm trying to get a picture to send Karen of the finger and
Is
feet,
his
but I
leg getting
can't.
bigger?
No, they're just putting it on his leg. It's getting tighter, and they're going to see what his blood pressure is.
What is it gonna be?
Well, hopefully it'll be good.
I got him yawning on video.
I'm wanting to see if I can get it, like, so I can send Karen, like, in the fingers and everything.
I can send Karen this on email, a
Okay.
little video. Here, take a picture with your mom's camera real quick. I'm sorry.
Do I push it?
Yeah.
Okay.
40/24. Pretty good.
Yep. Good what?
You think that was good?
You
You think that was an okay one? Good thing you know.
Oh, you could probably teach that.
That's right.
I don't want you to move. You think he's gotta get used to all this anyway, so.
There's a belly button in there, guys.
He likes to, put those feet up, doesn't he?
He's good. He's not even crying. Did he cry much, Christy?
Yeah, he's crying right when he came out.
He's only one and crying.
Yeah, you're right.
Isn't that the sweetest thing you've ever seen?
He's so sweet.
Listen to making the baby noise. Sam, did you sing?
Stop taking his belly button.
Poor, that's how he was fed.